Hello everyone, as you can see, this is a Samsung SMA528BDS smartphone. It's not charging. Customer says that it fell down from his hand and stopped charging. The charger is good, as you can see here. When I connect here, this phone it shows charging, but same pin when I connect it does not charge. So let's check what's the problem. For that, first we need to remove the back cover. For removing the back cover, we need to heat it, but due to the temperature, the ambient temperature itself, the customer has kept the phone in the dashboard of car maybe, and it has overheated and the back cover has come by itself. Just disconnect the battery. So now reconnect the battery. Now connect the charger and check. Okay, now it's good. Let me try it once again. Disconnected the charger. Connect the charger again. It's good. All that work was just disconnecting the battery and connecting it once again. So now the phone is working fine. It's charging. So let us fix the mainboard bracket and check it. So now just switch it on and check. It's powering on. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. The only thing is it should start charging, so let's wait and check. So add the charger, showing charging. Disconnect, connect it again, it's charging. So now for fixing the back cover, as I can see, it's very sticky, it will not hold the back cover. We need to remove full glue, both the side we need to remove completely the glue, and then we need to fix it with adhesive. But I'll check with customer. If he wants to fix the back cover, then I will go ahead with fixing it. So let's wait and check. It's charging. It's 20%. So the percentage of the battery should increase. If it increases, then the charging is good. See, as you can see, now it's 21%. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the not charging problem of your Samsung Galaxy A52 smartphone not charging due to falling down. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.